I am getting old today.
Yeehaw, see, I told you there was a party in here.
Hello.
How about you sit up here for a second? Let me see, because I'm not sure what all I have to adjust until I can see you on there, okay? Thanks, bud. Did you look at this?
Yeah.
What's it say?
Simon.
What?
Wow.
That must mean it belongs to you, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. I bet your brother doesn't have a...
This can also turn back here.
You're right.
So if someone's pushing, they can turn for me.
Mommy can help you.
And they even have a flag like my old one.
That's like their favorite part of the flag.
The flag?
They love the flag.
We still have that flag, but Ollie broke it off with the trike.
So how have you been, Simon? Haven't seen you for a while.
I've been good.
Good. Have you been healthy?
Yeah. I haven't been sick since I've seen you.
Yay. And your foot's all healed up?
Yeah.
Bravo.
I'm allowed to run a lot now. I don't even know how to go fast on this kind of bike.
You don't know how to do what?
I don't even know how to go fast on this kind of bike.
Well, that's good for today. Can you make it stop with your brake?
Yeah, like this.
You did it.
I just heard that these kind of bikes can go fast.
They can, but you have to be safe, not just fast, okay? I told you it's okay to go that fast. You should be right beside